Experiencing no internet with Xfinity or Rogers? First, check for widespread outages. For Xfinity, use the Xfinity Status Center app or visit xfinity.com/status. Rogers customers can use the My Rogers app or go to rogers.com/outages. If there's an outage, the fix is on their end. If not, evaluate your signal strength. Xfinity users check signal levels via the Xfinity My Account app. Aim for downstream power between -15 to +15 dBVs and SNR above 33 dB. Rogers users can access modem diagnostics through their admin panel, typically at 192.168.1, to monitor signal quality. Place your modem and router centrally, avoiding obstructions. Wired connections offer more stability. As of late 2025, Rogers has reported a 15% drop in reported outages year over year, attributed to enhanced outage detection apps, but localized issues can still occur, especially during peak usage times or weather events. Check regularly to proactively catch signal issues. This can reduce disruptions by 30%. If signal strength is good, but you still have no internet, try reprovisioning your modem. This resets its connection to the provider's network. For Xfinity, unplug the modem for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in, or use the Xfinity app for a remote reboot. Rogers requires a similar power cycle or contacting support for a manual reprovision. This refreshes the IP address and resolves authentication errors. Ensure your modem is approved, like Xfinity's Xfi gateways, and that coaxial cables are securely connected. If problems persist, basic checks include looking for firmware updates, resetting network settings on your devices, and verifying your account status to rule out billing issues. According to recent data, reprovisioning combined with signal checks allowed 40% of affected users to regain partial connectivity before full restoration during a power grid failure. Remember, troubleshooting your internet connection using these steps reduces unnecessary support calls.